Hello, welcome to Easy English. The things we say to strangers can be laden with sarcasm, subtleness, and passive-aggressiveness in order to hide our true feelings. So I thought I'd make a scenario of typical things Brits say, what you might think, and then what we actually mean. I hear what you say. He considers my point of view. You're wrong, and here's why. Oh, it was probably my fault. Why does he think it's his fault? It was your fault. Nice to meet you. See you around. Maybe we'll bump into each other. Have a nice life. Looks like you've caught the sun. He thinks I have a nice suntan. You look like a tomato. Oh, don't worry, it's honestly fine. Oh, thank God he forgives me. I will never forget this. Should we go for a walk? Oh, nice bit of exercise. To the pub? Ah, make yourself at home. Good hospitality. Sit down and await further instructions. I might join you later, okay? Oh, cool, you might turn up. There's no way I'm coming. Bye.